Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the barn. This is Friday the 9th of June, a little late, probably about 6 o'clock. It got a late start coming out here and got one project I want to work on. One of many, but these totes for my garden here, I need to get them set up. I've got another one inside the barn and we'll be bringing out. So what I'm going to try to do is the object for today, before it gets too late, is to get them on blocks. I'm going to use these blocks and some 4x6s I got in the truck, and try to get them somewhat level and raised up so I can put the connect them all at the bottom. Fortunately, they all have 2-inch MPT connections there at the bottom, so I just have to buy some adapters for that. They're going to be easy to hook up and plumb everything to where they all work together. I'll have 4 of them at 275 gallons, so that'll give me over 1,000 gallons of water that I'll catch off of this barn roof. Now I'm missing a section of gutter down there in the end, but I don't think it's going to matter. My downspout is there in the middle, a little up to the ladder. Once I can connect onto that, I'll get a lot of water off of this roof. So hopefully I'll be able to fill these things up over the next couple of weeks, because I do want to plant some stuff out here yet and see if we get anything to grow. But let me see if I can get these things elevated and set up to where I can start working on them. I got these 3 sections of downspout for $5 a section, so hopefully I'll be able to work with this. I've got the 4-inch Schedule 80 PVC. I got a whole bunch of that inside the barn, if you guys remember what I got from Gary that the city left for him. I might be able to fashion that somehow. I want to connect things to the barn. I don't have enough ladder to get me all the way up to the top and try to rivet something in. I don't want to go up that high anyway, but if I just get it up in there, the water's going to come down. I'm not too worried about that. I gotta get everything out of the way, get this all weed eated, then set up the blocks. These are 40 inches wide. I've got 4 4x6s. Then I'll set them on top of the blocks. That should hold the weight. I mean, we're going to wind up with, well, a pint is a pound the world round. And man, something stung me. Got stung on my neck. So this water, you figure, is about 8 pounds a gallon. I'm gonna have about 1,000 gallons. So you figure about 4 tons. Hopefully, by myself, I can get these up on the blocks and on the boards. Now the question is, can I get these up on here, one person? I think I'll do this one first. Few shims. Once they get full of water, see how they sit, because the weight's going to push this down, setting up on grass. I think over time it should kind of level itself out. One would hope. Telling you what, it's too scary how lined up that is. Yeah. I know what I'm doing. I might not look like it, but I get lucky. This is my oldest one. Let me tell you, it's been well washed out. None of this will ever be potable water. This is strictly for the garden. Just watering the garden. That's all this will ever be for. I don't know where that I don't know where the other battery died at, but I'm gonna repeat something here if it repeats. I guess I should call this Major disaster at the homestead. Major emergency medical. Major medical emergency. But yeah, I gotta go up and get some Neosporin and put a band-aid on it. I scraped the skin off pretty good. So, there's 1,000 gallons when they fill up. This had lime in it. This had lime in it from the water department. This had Miracle Grow from a farmer. This had, I have no idea, but I washed the shit out of it for a long time. It's been sitting here now for years. This will never, ever be potable water. Never going to happen. You should never set up one of these rain catchments with used totes like this, IBC totes, unless you know they are food grade and been cleaned. Do not take a chance. I don't care how many times you run water through them. I don't care how many times you pour bleach through them. That shit leaches into the plastic. So it's only good for water, for the garden or whatever. It's all it'd ever be good for. I'm not going to spray paint these because spray paint will leach in through the plastic. Why take the chance? I'm going to cover it. I'm going to build a cover over it and maybe put black plastic over them or something. I don't know yet. But I'm not going to spray paint them. But yeah, now they're up high enough. I can mow and weed eat along here. I can do all the plumbing that's needed to get all these things hooked up together. That'll be the next episode. We'll be getting a downspout to go into them and get the plumbing done, and then hopefully get some rain. But yeah, part one of the rain catchment behind the barn, whatever you want to call it. It's surprising what one guy can get done if he wants to accomplish something. All you gotta do is get at it, you know? I thought this would be a two-man job getting these up here. Anyway, I'm done. This is Joe out behind the barn here at St. Bernard Acres, working on my garden watering system, the off-grid lifestyle. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm out.